You've always said you wanted to know how to braid, right? It's very easy. You've watched tons of video and you still can't figure it out. Here's one. Just watch. Watch how the person is running their fingers through the hair. Make sure you part the hair into three if you don't know how to braid already. Or you just put your fingers in, divide it into three sections, start moving those fingers, and then you just keep braiding. You get perfect at it when you keep going. You don't just watch videos and pause. You have to put your hands in the hair. Get a dummy. Get your younger sister, your stepchild, whoever is available. Get someone and start braiding. Here's a video on how to do the miracle knot. After you're done braiding the hair, just put some jam on your finger and then grab the coily piece, add it to it, braid it down all the way, and then do your knot. I put the knot in to secure the coily hair so it doesn't fall out. Just imagine if your client had a fight with some girl over a man. Ha 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 ha. That's a lie. My client don't fight over men. My clients are professionals. They're tush. They're beautiful ladies. They're tech ladies. Ladies in tech. They don't fight. But anyway, I said just imagine. And then make sure you tie it twice. And that's it. Then you get your crochet needle and you start putting it in. Actually, I didn't want to do a voiceover for this video, but guess what? I was told I have to do voiceovers for videos just so people can know what they're doing. They said the videos that don't have voiceovers don't go viral because when you put voiceovers, it's easy for people to listen. But girl, what do you need? Why do you need to hear my voice? What is about my voice? What do you want to listen to? You can see what I'm doing. Watch and do the same. Why do I have to talk in my videos? Anyway, this is how to put the coily piece in each braid, depending on how much coils your client wants. Keep putting the coils. I think in this video I put about 3 or 4 coils in each braid, and at some point she said she wanted more. I said okay, good, and then we added more coils. And the reason why I like this video is she decided to try out colors. Good job. So I decided to, no, I didn't decide. She decided. She brought this orange, burnt orange color, so we decided to put that in. I love it. Everybody knows I love colors. You know, the mixing colors, the coily pieces should bring all the colors to me. I love it, you know. So, put it in, grab it out, tie it, that's it. It's that easy. Do your miracle knot today. Actually, if you cannot afford going to a hairstylist, and nobody here should complain about how much hairstylists charge, just go to whoever is within your budget. Even if someone charges $50 for it, go to her. If you find someone that charges $1,500 for it and she's selling the experience, the luxury, go to her. It's not easy standing hours to braid your hair, even though you cannot do it yourself in front of the mirror. But anyway, I'm here to teach you. So learn so you can save your money or save your coins. But if you want, you can come to me and I can fix you in. But this is how to do the miracle knot. It's very easy. Just keep doing it that way. And I hope this video has views. Anyway, I hope this helps you. I'm going to put music at the end of this, my voice, my husky voice. All right. Enjoy the video and learn. And make sure you tag me if you ever watched this video and liked the technique I used. Bye-bye. Actually, before I forget, the reason why I do the technique of tying the knot is because some people say it slides out. Did I say that before? Yeah, I did. Skip that. One more time. And the amazing thing is, sorry. The amazing thing is, I'm not going to take out any part of this voice recording because I'm trying to put myself out there, right? Sometimes I'm like, I think I was too much in my head saying, oh, I really don't know what to say in videos. Oh, I don't know what to record. But guess what? I'm in the era where I don't care what I say. If you want to listen to it, listen. If you don't want to, because I have free will. It's my video, it's my recording, it's my voice. Enjoy it, you know? And that's how you get over yourself. Because who really cares? No one. do the video, watch the video, play the video, do whatever you want with the video. But that's my technique. Thank you. Actually, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye. No, don't go. You need to keep watching the video. This video is 18 minutes long, and at 5 minutes, I already ran out of words. I hope you enjoyed whatever music or beats, free beats I had to this video. All right, catch you in my next video. Catch you in my next TED Talk.
Tell everybody that I was just such a shame here. Such a waste of energy here.
Turn around.
Wow. Look what my client did. After all that work, she went and threw it up in a bun.